po ka dyan.
Alan by Melvin. No good. Rebound by Rich Kid. Ayun, ang tarak. Agaw. Ano pasa? Sala. Ginagawa mo.
Nag-score dito. Ikinto mo dito.
Hello. Sound check. Monching, dribble the ball. Aswalan, pinalik. 10 to shoot. 9, 8. Steal by Rich Kid. Ang ganda. Ang lakas mo. Mr. Canlas for 2.
Pwede ka manood talaga. Di ba? Ano pa simple, di ba?
Putin, inaliwa, Sala. Nanta, dribble up. Close. Huli na naman. Ganyan talaga, mga walang practice. Cardona, dribble up. Malanta, Master Cardona, Hansel for 2, pinasa kay Cardona, Canlas for 2. Watching, dribble the ball, ang balikbayan, ginagawang pasyalan ng Madrid. Yes! By number 6. Monching, tumira na 3. Tapos Cardona, Bebart, Bumalanta, pinasa kay Hansel for 2. Rebound ni Cardona. Sala. Hindi na makayukong si Bumalanta. Foul by number 2. Exercise.
Last 4 minutes, boss.
Time remaining. Last 4 minutes.
Ganun yun.
No good. By first free throw. Second throw. Yes, by Melvin. Not counted. 7-3. Line.
Punta ba sila atin, no? For sure.
Cardona. To Rich Kid. Foul ka na naman. Dalawa ka na, brother.
So, natayo mo para tatanggal pa.
Second team foul. Ay, cambio, vale? Debo. Pasok. Cambio. Dalawa ka na, pare. Number 10, yes! Kailangan kita mamaya sa open. Hindi lalaro si Ironman. Kaya yung number 10 ang kapalit ko. Number 17. Favorite shot. Melvin. Traveling violation. Sir Alan.
Warm up lang ko doon.
Grabe tawag ni dati ah. Magano ba ako?
Time remaining. 2 minutes and 33 seconds. Ay, check po, bale?
Tama daw ito maglaro? 2 days. Pero...
Tumalat pa for 3, no good.
Pero depende kung makadeok pa. Todo linggo.
Rebound. Cartona.
Vamos.
Pinasa kay Bossing. Cartona na naman. Pinasa kay Kalas. No good. Last 2 minutes. I'm out. Laguna Lake.
Na gustong milk tea, mga pulutan, meron pa rito mga
Milk
benta.
tea, parang medyo pagpa 50% daw mo sa ganyan. Kaya, benta, plus euro lang.
Hindi pa nakuha yung ano.
Kaya yung tapioca medyo.
Gustong pulutan, meron dito. Gratis. Sa ano, meron dito. Free taste ng milk tea. By Jonathan Isanti. The product of Wishes with Linux Volvo Stock. Sa mga walang pulutan dyan, inquire lang kayo dito sa ano, 50% off. Valdia.
Tumalat pa. Player of the selection. Pinasa sa labas. Same ball. Back remaining 1 minute and 43 seconds. Estash. Pinasa kay Bossing. Wow. By number 15. First personal foul. Good. No good. Wala ng Laguna.
Okay lang, 1.20 boss.
Time remaining 1 minute and 20 seconds. Mr. MVP dribble the ball. Sa palpal.
Ay, nice pass. Last 1 minute. Kalatari, walang kondisyon si Bossy.
Parang yung mga Laguna walang kondisyon. Mr. MVP, pass to Cartona. Wala, nakuha ni Bossy. Wala na naman.
Last 40.
Last
40 seconds.
40 segundos. Wow. By number 77.
Inaabangan ko ang number 23.
First personal foul. Third team foul. Two shots.
991, the Roadman. Inutos pa darating si Rai dito. Kasi dyan wala pa.
Rai, bilis-bilisan mo naman maglakad.
Nakapagtiga ulit?
Yes,
Brad, seconds, 37 segundos.
Wala pumasok.
Estacio, pinasa kay Telmo. Outside.
Sa gitna pa dumaan.
Last 28 seconds. Bossy, tobot na naman. Melvin, iniretso. Pinasa. Melvin.
Last 15.
Pinasa kay Gumalata. Kinain. buhay na buhay. At dito na si Mr. MVP ng U21. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Boss, stop ka na, boss.
Ito? Second quarter, bola ng Santero. Paring Paul, dribble the ball. Luis. Pinasa kay Paul. Dinerecho. Ogo. Cardona, dribble the ball. Dinerecho. Tira ni Kosing. Sala na naman. Wala yata kondisyon sa Marvin. Nangasal ni Mr. MVP. Malipit ka talaga. Pinasa kay Tomas. Dinerecho. Foul. Kay 15. Senior Ruiz. Second personal foul. Time remaining 7 minutes and 11 seconds.
Stick na pa rin.
2 points.
Hindi na tayo tayo.
Paul dribble the ball. 14 to shoot.
Dos, Mark. Dos. 11.
Sige, lupitan.
Pass to number 17. Pass to number 77. 14 to shoot. Number 77, Telma. Set up play, pass to number 16, Rolanda. Number 17, William Press. Logo, dribble to number 16, Rolanda. Offensive foul. Time remaining 5 minutes and 55 seconds. Inbound by number 16.
Bienvenidos al tour de nuestro nuevo showroom de
Pass number 18.
Bible yan.
Number 18, Jimena Pass. Seven. Pass. Out of bounds. Number 16, Duranta, set up play. Duranta, pass number 17. Pass to Telmo. Pass to number 17. Pass to number 19. Number 19, attack.
Talo nga. Ay, maniwala. Sabi kami kanina. Terence, who wins? Barcelona o Madrid?
Numero 2.
In football. Madrid. Patingin ako. Talo nga yung Barcelona. Wala na. Yolo ni Luolo. 5-4 sila? Yolo ni Luolo. Talo nga.
No good. Reba ay cambio, vale?
Pasage ka ako, bes.
Pag ka lang.
Second throw.
Nakapatay.
Na, boss. Present ko yung pipe ko.
Posible.
Number 18, set up play. Time remaining 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Pass to number 17. Number 17 is equal points. Position score 15-11. Number 17. Number 2. No good. Low. Number 15 attack. No good.
Ano score ba yung 11 pa lang? 13.
13 pala.
Di ba Bray, ano? Ay, nasan si Kuya? Kuya, Bray. Nasan si Kuya mo? Si Kuya. Sapa namin sa sapatos. So, bayaran ko na sa Saudi. Okay ko na ngayon. 70 lang, di ba?
Oh, sound check. Foul number 17. Second personal foul, 13 foul. Cambio.
Logo tata, pre.
14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot.
Bindigas din ko, no? Lobat? No.
Number 17, bumukol ng 3. No good. Rebound number 17.
Ha?
Pass to number 18. Number 18. Is still with number 2. Pass to number 14. Same ball. Time remaining 2 minutes and 20 seconds.
Ito yun, ha? 13 to. Di ba tag-70 lang?
Pass to number 2.
Mo nga, Bray.
Pass to number 14. Bossy. No good. Rebound by number 17. 2 points.
Saksakan. 15.
Time remaining exactly 2 minutes. Number 18, set up late. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass number 16. Number 16, attack. Attack by number 2. Santero.
Santero win.
¿Te acuerdas de ese amigo que te vio buscando en coches.net y te dijo, tengo un primo en el pueblo que tiene un conocido que sabe muchísimo de coches, que te encuentra unos?
Ano bang i-kuha niyan? Huwag mo kasi lang. Pabili ka ng
How long takes the time, that time out? That's all?
No sé. Ano naman laban?
I like mine. Microphone.
No, it's good.
Back to the ball game. 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot. Time remaining 1 minute and 51 seconds. Inbound by number 15. Pass to number 10. Foul. Foul number 11. First personal foul, 13 foul. 10 seconds. 9, 8. Basket. Time remaining 1 minute and 30 seconds. Go. Number 2, Denmark attack. Pass to Taylor, out of bounds. 9 minutes and 15 seconds. Pass to number 13. Back to number 24. Number 24, 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 15. Pass to number 2. Number 2. No. Foul. Laguna. Warning for penalty, Santero. Remaining last 9 seconds. Official score 80-15 in favor of Santero. good. Remember number 19. Time remaining 15 seconds. Number 19, attack. Out of bounds. The last 24 seconds. Number 24. Number 2. Move it again. Last 25 seconds. Number 17, Cartera. Pass to number 16. 2 points. Last 25 seconds. Number 13. Pass to number 24. Skill. Last 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pass number 14. Back to number 2. Number 2, Denmark, set up play. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 16, Denmark. 3 points. Score. 20. Number 24, set up play. Pass to number 10. No good. Remember number 2. No good. No good again. Number 24, set up play. Rim the ball. Pass to number 25. Pass to number 10. 15 seconds to shoot. Basket. Bonus shot.
Malaki ka na.
Bonus shot by number 17.
Okay lang yan.
No good. Remember number 13. Foul. Foul number 19. Score 22-20 in favor of Barangay Santero.
Naman na lang candy.
Ano ka bata?
First throw no good.
Baka candy mo yan eh.
No good again. Number 19. Pass to number 2. Hammer. Pass to number 14. Pass to Duranta. No good. 2 points by number 19. Number 95. Pass to number 10. Number 10 play. 2 points. Time remaining exactly 6 minutes. Number 2 set up lane. Denmark. 14 to shoot.
Brad, 0 foul, Brad!
Cardona. Cardona. 2 shots lane number 2. First throw. First throw no good.
Pero may bariya ka.
Wala nga daw kaya nagpapabili.
Second throw.
Bariya ka, Joy.
Basket.
Tangin din.
Number 24 set up lane. Pass to number 25. Number 25. 15 seconds to shoot.
Mamamatay na lang, naghanap pa ng ganito.
Baka gusto mo pa yung malamig.
No good.
Buwela ka ba? Bariyahan ka na yung buwela.
14 to shoot.
Bumili ka ng 5 empanada.
Oo, tangin na. Swerte.
14 to shoot. Pass to number 24. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. 14 to shoot. Foul number 16. Second personal foul, 13 foul.
Galing talaga na.
14 seconds to shoot.
Tinatawa ng road.
Raymond
Umilag ko yung dalawa na po.
Bobo. Cambio. Pasok. Pasok. Pasok.
Tumalon yung paa. Kaya napag sa kamay.
Ardora. No good. Raymond Time remain 3 minutes and 55 seconds. Pass number 6. No good. Raymond number 77. Pass number 2. Number 2, Denmark. Pass number 17.
Wow.
2 points.
Ang galing mo talaga, bata.
Number 11 and number 10. Celebrate, take, attack. Foul number
Ryan, ilang
91.
minutos yung ano? Second personal foul warning for penalty.
Second personal foul warning for penalty. 14 seconds to shoot.
Yes, King! Kabudel. Balik! May papel tayo dyan, ha? Tapos kung sino lang yung mga maglalaro. Warning, ha? Shoot!
Warning for delaying the game.
Warning.
Number 2, Tumira Tres. No good, holding by number 91. Pass to Bossing. No good, holding by number 30. Time remaining, last 3 minutes.
Relax. Tapos sila.
Still. Cambio.
7:36, boss.
Upal.
No good.
Tatakbo doon sa tabi ng pang.
Score 37-26, 1 point lead by Laguna. Number 24, attack, pass to number 10. Pass to number 6. Basket. Time remaining 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Number 17, set play. 15 seconds to shoot.
Painitin ko pa. Gusto painitan ko pa.
Number 2 attack. Is still number 25. Ay tempo, right? Time remaining. 2 minutes.
Daddy.
Lalaro ka mamaya. Ano yun? Kasama yun.
Pasay. Injury.
Asan? Oh, with the daddy.
Hindi ka pedal sa leader.
Bili ka na. Sige na, ako na magaan.
Hindi ka pedal. Yung kwan ha, hindi yung permanent ha.
Alam ko yung hindi permanent.
Alam yung tawag.
Official score,
Ito walang par kung ano yung ball. Pentel pen.
Permanent,
Ano daw tawag?
ay huwag yung permanent, ha?
Di mo ba alam pentel pen?
Picture mo na lang yan, pero black, ha? Bili ka ng dalawa,
Sino mag-score?
Ano po, Nay?
black saka blue.
Aray, gago.
Pagka siya tatlo
Black
mo.
saka blue lang ha.
Bumili ka rin ng kausap, dalawa.
Number 2. Pass to number 17.
Black magkaba lang.
15 seconds to shoot.
Tuwad ka, papainitan ko pa yan.
Diyan!
Par, gusto mo gamit mo?
Diyan!
Par, Elias, kala mo yun, di ba?
Mami ka dyan, isa ka din, tsaka mukha rin.
Diyan!
1 minute and 25 seconds. Number 77.
Agay, tempo! Agay! Agay!
Nagmadali ba siya? Ang cute to, kinidagol. Ganyan pa siya.
Number 6. Over again, Raymond Denmark. Over again. Last 55 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Last 45 seconds. Number 14. Last 30 seconds. 25. 15 seconds to shoot. 20. 10 seconds to shoot. Right. Last 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ray. Ray. Ang na lang, may nakita ka, diba?
Tangina, ano pa ba?
Number 25, Saturday, attack. Pass to number 17. He's still by number 19. Pass to number 16. Pass to number 17. Number 13.
Ito ay.
Number 84. Score 32-31, 114 by Santero. May remaining 8 minutes and 15 seconds. Number 2, Saturday.
Nadulas. Mga tangay.
Score ko, right? No?
Number 10,
Ano score ko yun, Bray? 31-32?
14 to shoot. Number 19.
Beat it.
High remaining 8 minutes.
Sige mo, Bebo.
Score 32-31 in favor of Santoro. Oh, pagbalik mo, gusto. Pass number 19. Novo, number 16, Bunata, 2 points. Number 25. Novo. Remaining 7 minutes and 18 seconds. Hansel. Finally, 7 minutes.
May pasok pala si Noel, man.
Andun?
Eh, kanina.
Ipasok siya kanina.
Kanina kasi sa bahay.
Diba nandun kaya?
Pasok siya alas 4. Tapos, alas
Finally, 6 minutes and 40 seconds.
Baka pumunta sa Bebe. Bebe Kek.
15 seconds to shoot.
ano pa ka ba?
10, 9. Foul number 16.
Hindi mga naglaro, wala ko agad.
Ano, Kuya Bright,
First throw, no good.
First row, no good.
Second throw. Basket. Time remaining, last 6 minutes. Score 34-32. 2.8.
Nay, si Aspen yata naligaw na.
Pass
Hindi kasi
number
nakapag-score ulit.
25. 14 seconds to shoot.
Istaba siya ito na nga lang. Ang nilalaro.
Pinili din daw kasi ng USC.
Sabagay. Oo, lalaruan. Kasi
Inbound by number 17. Pass to number 2. Time remaining 5 minutes and 30. I come to Bebo, vale? Cambio. Time remaining 5 minutes and 9 seconds. Official score 36-32 in favor of Laguna.
swerte.
Number 2. Pass to number 19.
Buwan niyang kapa.
Number 19, Sergey. Number 19, attack. Is still with number 6.
Saka bago sa isang kapasyan. May isa pa palang kasama.
4 minutes and 40. 15 seconds to shoot. I cambio, vale?
Okay.
Time out.
Tempo.
10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Out. Santoro.
Sabihan ko saan.
Pero ito, bigyan ko i-break.
Tatawag lang. Sabi ang pagkon. Ay, simple po test.
Official score, 38-34 in favor of Laguna. Time remaining 4 minutes and 21 seconds.
Tayo, may apat pa.
Dali.
Ready. Two points by number 24.
Pero Gian, malakas ka na
The
mag-ebel.
score 38-36.
Walas ka na mag-ebel.
Time remaining 4 minutes and 10 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3. 24 shot clock.
Wala.
Bird lang. Galing kayo nagawan. Time remaining 3 minutes and 52 seconds. Number 24, pass to number 25.
Grabe na.
Grabe ng violation. Technical. Number 25, technical. No, delaying the ball. Iba yung ano, technical dyan.
Pero, unos peritro. Full possession tayo, full possession. Atin bola, atin. Atin ang bola, atin bola. Wow.
Foul.
Warning for graduate, number 15.
Number 15 ng Santero, warning for graduate. Two shots by number 2. Basket. Time remaining 3 minutes and 31 seconds. Number 10, pass to number 25. It's still by number 16. Number 16, set up play. 15 seconds to shoot. 10, 9, 8, 7.
Bobo, hindi yan. Ha? Wala, hindi yan. Wala ba yung school supplies yan? Tumutulog.
14 to shoot.
Wala, hindi yan.
14 to shoot. Time remaining 2 minutes and 35 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Cambio.
Time remaining 2 minutes and 23 seconds. Official score 40-36. 4-point lead by Laguna.
minutos.
Pass to number 17, 15 seconds to shoot. 10, 9, 8, 7. Last 2 minutes. Number 24, pass to number 25. Blocked by number 17. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Number 2, pass to number 14. 14 seconds to shoot. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Number. Basket. Bonus shot. Sino foul? Renta. Bonus shots by number 24. Official score 45-38. Dito ba cambio, vale? Time remaining 1 minute and 21 seconds. Official score 45-39 in favor of Laguna. Number 2. 15 seconds to shoot. 10, 9, 8. Last 1 minute. Last 55 seconds. Last 52 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Last 45 seconds, 10 to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Last 35 seconds. Foul number 15, graduate. Third pa lang. Dalawang possession pa. Graduate din number 15. Graduate. Last 29 seconds. Last 29 seconds. Last 25 seconds. Number 19. No good. Last 14 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Last 5 seconds. Last 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2,